Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to this video. It is Tuesday, April 28th, I think. Let's check. Yes, 28th. And I figured that I would do something that I'm kind of nervous about doing on camera, but my room is an absolute mess, and so I wanted to clean it and declutter it. And why do my glasses always fog up when I start filming? So I figured I would film this, and I tried to do this yesterday on Monday. I will put a clip in as to why I couldn't. Do y'all see that freaking demon on my wall? Heck no. Oh my god, it can fly. Not playing today. Absolutely not. Yeah, so I almost died yesterday, but it's okay. We made it. We survived. We're here. Praise the Lord. Before we get into the cleaning, I did want to say one hair wrap. Yes, I washed my hair yesterday, and I'm letting it do a deep condition. Well, no, I didn't wash it. I'm doing a deep condition on it, and then I'm going to wash it today. So just ignore all this. I have been gone for a little minute. It hasn't been like super long, but it has been a few weeks. I hopefully can put up a video tomorrow explaining why I've been gone, but I did want to say I'm sorry, you guys, and I missed filming and I missed interacting. It's just been an interesting past few weeks, but we'll do a whole video on that tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that video. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Please don't judge. Like I said, I think this is the messiest I've good night. I think this is the messiest I've allowed my room to get since moving out on my own. Because when I live with my parents, that's a whole nother, let's just not discuss that. We are going to clean even with the foggy glasses. Oh yeah, by the way, completely forgot to say, I don't know where the bug is. Couldn't find it. I literally did not sleep in my room last night. I slept downstairs on the couch. I was not playing with that bug. Dirt. Alrighty, let's get to cleaning. Okay, this is what you see when you first walk in. This is my bed. All of those clothes are clean clothes. Oh gosh, sorry if that was wobbly. All of these clothes on my bed are clean clothes. I just need to fold them and put them in my dresser. This over here is a hot mess. Yeah, that's like a trash thing. It's not like food in there. But this is a hot mess. I don't even use that pillow anymore. I don't know why that's there. This over here is my other nightstand. That's my Bible, my devotional, my journal. And then we have a pile of trash, a notebook for school. That is like a gel UV light thing, hair stuff, me and you guys. Say hello to yourselves. Hey, how you doing? Okay, this is a pile of trash that I've been using as like a trash bin or like a trash, what is that called? Trash can. There we go. Lord, Megan. Honestly, guys, sometimes I feel like I don't even know how I'm in college myself. I not even in. I don't know how I'm close to finishing sometimes. Good night. So here's where I keep my makeup, my facial stuff back there, hair stuff, and it's just a hot freaking mess. I try to keep like beauty stuff, so like deodorant. I don't even use that type of deodorant anymore. I use like the less toxic kind by Native. So that needs to be thrown away. Then I usually put my makeup and stuff in here. So I need to get bins to organize in there, but I can't right now. This side is where I keep like all my hair products and things like that. Then this one has, this one has extra socks. And then here's my graduation stuff that I cannot wear until December. And then the rest of the drawers literally have nothing in them. Let's head into the dungeon, as my parents used to call my bedroom back in the day. Let's head into the dungeon, which is now my closet. Okay, let's start up here with shoes. Not that bad. Not the cleanest. That's a dress that I'm going to try to fit into again. But not, the worst thing in the world. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? Why? Everything's clean in here. Most of the stuff over here is going to be given away or thrown away. It's all clean. So yeah. As y'all can see, I did not make this task easy on myself. I'm sure that my glasses are fogged up. I can't see myself because I'm not facing the... Anyways, let's get started, you guys. Okay guys, there is that. There really wasn't a before. I just kind of put everything in there. There's a few things, throw that away. There's a few things like oils and things like that that I'm not going to put in here because I don't want them to like leak in the drawer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know I could organize that much better, but I don't feel like doing that right now. So we're just going to try to get it looking better, and then we'll go back in and like deep organize everything. This is the before. Not that bad, not as bad as I thought it was. I will show you the after. Here's the after. Yeah, so we're gonna finish up all this side and then we'll come over to that side. So if you're wondering like what's underneath my bed, not that I don't think anybody would be wondering that, but it's just empty bags that I always use, so I'm just gonna slide those underneath there. We'll probably do that right before we vacuum, but all right, let's finish up. I keep procrastinating. Let's finish. This side is pretty much done. I just need a vacuum, and I'm gonna clean off obviously the fan that looks like disgusting, and then the end table. So now we're gonna do the other side. All right, let's get to it. What do you know? Another dirty fan. Yay. So now it's time to get started on all of this, because, pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Okay guys, so I've started doing piles, and then the clothes that I'm keeping, and then the clothes that I'll be giving away, I have a trash bag for. So here is the before. So I'm giving all of this away. I really didn't have much to give away because when we moved, I got rid of a lot of stuff and gave a lot of stuff away then. That back there, I'm going to take to his bedroom. These are the clothes that I am keeping. They're all clean. Some of them I'm keeping because some of them are like my goal clothes. So once I get to my goal weight, hopefully I can fit into those again. And then all of these are clean. I just took those out the washer. I think I showed those at the beginning of the video, but we're going to fold those and put them up, and then we're gonna vacuum. We're gonna disinfect and clean all the surfaces, clean the fans and stuff, and then we should be done, you guys. So making good progress. I'm about to go throw this in the washing machine, and then I will be right back, which to you won't know, so I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I just filmed like 2 or 3 other videos. I folded the laundry for another video, and so I'm about to put that up, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Then we're gonna hang up the clothes that need to be hung up, vacuum. Okay, yeah. So let's get to finishing up these clothes because I want that you guys to see this video today. So let's get her done. Okay guys, so I figured I would give you an overview of the closet and what it looks like now. It looks so much better. And then I'll take you through each drawer in my dresser one by one to show you how I organized all of that. Here is the after. Again, I might just get rid of those and give those away to somebody, but there's my cap and gown. Looks so pretty. Okay, and I didn't have that many things to hang up, just like 5 or 6 things. All of that is organized. I didn't show you in there just because it's kind of a hot mess in there, but everything has its own drawer. It goes fingernail polish, hair bands, hair bows, bobby pins, all that stuff. And there, that one is bigger pieces of jewelry, necklaces, bigger earrings, things like that. That first drawer right here is big hair stuff, so blow dryers, flat irons, bandanas, things like that. That middle drawer is extra makeup right here, and that bottom drawer is extra feminine hygiene products. Down here are, what is that? Okay, that dress needs to go in one of the drawers, but outside of the dress, waist trainers and waistbands to make you sweat when you're working out. And that whole bag is what I'm giving away, shoes and clothes and socks and all that stuff in that bag. In this top drawer, like we already went over, it's makeup, facial, beauty, all that stuff. Over here is hair. Beautiful. And then this drawer right here is tank tops, socks, shoe insoles, and bras and stuff, underwear. This drawer is t-shirts. This drawer right here is broken, but this is like pants and shorts and things like that. And then this drawer over here is all the stuff that I want to try to fit back into before the end, well, way before the end of this year. But I want to, those are like my goal clothes. But now we're moving on to the fans and then vacuuming. And then that's the last thing we have to do. Have to, always have to. All right, let's get going. Okay, y'all, just in case you were wondering why I said we're gonna wait to vacuum until after we did this. So look at this, looks amazing, great, phenomenal. And look at my carpet. So yeah, I would definitely recommend always dusting before you vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this end table, wipe it down, go ahead and do the dresser, wipe it down, and then we will work on that corner, then vacuum. So just in case you were wondering what products I was using to clean with, it's the Love and Planet multi-purpose cleaning wipes, the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner, and then the Jaws water system for hardwood. The reason I'm doing that is because all of my stuff is basically, as you can see, it's chipping a little bit, but it's basically just painted wood. So that's why I use that one, but love all of these. Also, just in case you were wondering what's in these boxes, it's just stuff from when we moved that we didn't have room for. One of them has my entire snow globe collection that I don't even know where to put in this apartment. So that's what are in those 2 boxes. But It looks so much better. So much better. Unfortunately, I cut myself when I went to, it's still bleeding, okay. That's probably nasty, I probably don't want to look at my bloody finger. But when I went to unscrew those and I took like the front frame off, up underneath it were other nails that I didn't see. And so I went to pick it up to show you guys how it was going, and it just like poked me pretty deep. So I immediately ran to get some alcohol because I don't know, it looks a little rusty. We've had that since 2018. I know it's a little crusty, a little dusty, but it still works. I just needed to get all like the lint and all that stuff off. But it looks so much better. It's not as white as I would want it to be, but again, I couldn't pick it up right to get it to work for me. So it's better than it was. All right, the aftermath on the white one is not as bad as the black one at all, but I also think it's because the black one is much older, and I've cleaned it, but it is older, so it doesn't filter as well as it used to. Here we go, let's vacuum. Last but not least. All right, you guys, I am sweating, so that means that we are done. The bedding did not get done. I don't think it's going to even get done before tonight, and I want to get this video up this afternoon. So thank you guys so much for helping me clean. Thank you for talking with me, hanging out with me, watching. Please, again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it if you want to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know any other rooms that you would like to see me clean. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah. So what I've been trying, oh my God. Hi, Tommy. Okay. Say hello to Honey. Honey. Yes. And there's Tito on the bed. Say hi, Tito. Say hi. Don't know even. Oh my gosh. And then we are done. We are done. That's probably making y'all sick. Let me stop.